What's going on, you guys? What's up, YouTube? This is the Crimson_Knight. What is up? Y'all can call me the Crimson Knight. So, all of you guys, what's up, Siak? We're doing this live on Twitch. I want to start unboxing this. I ordered from Infinity Studios a limited edition collectible Gwen statue. So, they made maybe less than 1,000, if I'm correct. And I managed to get my hands on one. I don't know why. I've been pretty lucky this year. So, like, checking this out. Wow. This thing looks fantastic. Super shiny, in the box, has not been opened, like, at all. I haven't even, like, I just took it out, like, right now. This thing looks so clean and super solid. So, I'm a little, like, I don't know if I want to treat it where, you know, if you ever unbox stuff, they say keep it in the plastic and all that. I don't do that. So I'm going to pop the tape holding it so you know, like, no one's ever looked through it and it's untouched and all that yummy goodness. Okay, here we go. So I think I ordered this maybe July. Yeah, somewhere around July. Oh, I'm gonna display. I got it right here. Trust me. Yeah, so I went ahead and ordered this July. They confirmed it September or so, which was pretty awesome. All right, here we go. I got it open. Ooh, okay. Okay, hold on. Let me throw on some music. Hold on a second. I got this right here. Alright, check it. So this thing, this shit's wrapped tight. Check this out. Like, it's locked in, and get a whiff of the good smell. Smells like cardboard, buddy. Okay, so I'm glad that if you're paying for something expensive, they actually wrap it in Velcro and all kinds of other crap. But we're gonna take it out of the box so it's easier for you guys to see. Don't get up. Don't get a look at me. Hold on. Alright, so it came in this giant, like, plastic sort of, or, like, I guess cardboard still. We're gonna unwrap our present. Dude. Okay, what do we do? They sent me a card, by the way. Check this out. Infinity Studios. Let's see what this says. Whoa. What? Hold on. They sent me a few little goodies. What the heck? Okay, let's check this one though first. So they sent me some official, like, work and collection number. Mine is 297 out of 997 made. Check this out. This is the certification that this is legit, buddy. Shut up, Lone. Look at this. And it comes with some really nice little artwork of the character. That's pretty awesome. So I'm definitely going to be keeping that to show it's official. Some other stuff. And they sent along a little booklet kind of showing everything that comes with it. Like the parts, the character. Pretty dope. I'm actually really surprised by that. Okay, so I think it's a lift, right? I think it's a lift and pull. It is. Don't worry about it. Alright, so it came with the base. This is gels. We don't care about these. Yeah, we don't care about these. Alright, dude. I didn't want to start this. I guess from the base? Oh, this is heavy. actually pretty cool. Oh, dude, wow. Look at that. So this is the base of it. On the bottom, it tells you the number. Like, it also has marked the certification and the number, which one it is. So, like, again, this is 297 out of 997. Less than 1,000 of these were made. For a decent reason. This is expensive, bro. I don't want to say the price, but these are super expensive. I saw a lot of people who were really wanting these. Like, really wanting them. But, you know, I'm lucky enough. I got you guys. Got a good job. We're working it. So, I think we're going to start with the character. So let me remove these. Oh man. Dude. Hold on. Okay, because it's like you gotta put the parts on. I'm not gonna lie. I think she looks pretty good with short hair. That's actually surprising as hell. Can I have the styrofoam? Sure, I will save the styrofoam for you. So, that's not how her hair normally is, but it doesn't look bad. Thor knows what I mean. Dude, this looks super good already. This is incredible. And what's this part right here? So we're gonna get this and we're gonna put her on the stand immediately. We're gonna leave her right there. So we got an arm. Get this put right here. Alright, sweet. So I'm guessing this is her, what is like her left, right arm? Yeah, I need the other one. Thor, what do you think? Short-haired Gwen's pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, that's not bad. But I think this is her, it's her right hand. No, her left hand. Her right hand. It's a hand. So we got one. Let me get the other one really quick. Okay, now we got her other piece. Oh, dude, I want to put it together to see like how it looks in all its glory, bro. We got both bits of her hair. Let me get the other. What is the other arm? I think it's like. That. There we go. All right, sweet. Let me angle the camera down for you dudes. Like not too low. I want you to. Lower. Shut up. Other hand. So we got both of them, right? So if I'm correct, this one. Dude, I didn't even look at this, bro. I'm not putting pressure. It's magnet, dude. It's magnetically locked. What the hell? I've never seen that. Whoa. Hold on, that's new to me. That's actually super cool. Then I'm guessing these are also magnet locked. I'm guessing, right? See the... I think it's how you attach them. I'll do this one. Yeah, do Mag lost some statues. I think that's pretty awesome. All right, here we go. What makes me happy is this is reasonably easy to put together, right? Like, this is super easy. It's not hard. It looks good already, and I haven't even, like, I'm not even done. Okay, here we go. So for the final piece that they put in here, we got the scissors, baby. It's the ball for time. I know, for sure. And this looks incredible. Like, this has tons of... Exactly, dude. Let me... Here we go. I got my emote, man. Oh, wow. They put so much detail into this. It looks awesome. It's engraved all along. Like, the handle, it's all engraved. It looks so good. Let me see. I think it's... Is it for the scissors? So this is correct. It goes like... I'm trying to see how they do it. So it has like a magnet connector here. So who's Gwen again, and where is she from? So Gwen is the culmination of a piece of her maker's soul. You saw that when she died, a part of her soul went into Gwen, which is a doll she made, and she was brought to life, and she knew nothing. So she's super curious of the world, a great character, absolutely love it. Make sure really quick. Well, let me read my book. Yep, it's all correct. I'm gonna put it a little too... I think there's a way to insert this better. Hold on. Because I got the other braid correct. She's like an Omen type of character. Yes and no, but good. But she's definitely a good person. Like, she's not a villain of any kind. Isn't Omen like a scumlord, I think? Okay, wait. That's why. Second. Love me villains. No, you do. There we go. Wow, man. Okay, can I just say the fact that this looks incredible. The quality is so good. Where is the final touch that I know you guys will like? Alright, check this out. Just to show it's official. Dude, perfect. Wow, man. That looks incredible. Like, the design on her dress, on the scissors, on the character itself, they got her eyes pretty... They're literally perfect. Wow, man. Dude, I'm so happy about this. These look incredible. Like, this looks absolutely amazing. They did such a good job, and it's so easy to put together. Not the smartest person, but it was pretty easy. So if you are ever looking for a good collectible, I would highly, highly recommend Infinity Studios. They are phenomenal. You want the best, you're gonna get the best. Yeah, it's on the pricier side, but you get what you pay for, and that's the most important type of thing. So all in all, this is incredible. I'm gonna put this up in my display case right here for everyone to see. Let me get this. I got my card. This is 200 and what was it? Dude, go check it. Absolutely, go check their website. Yeah, so this is 297 out of 997. Less than 1,000 of these were made, and I am very lucky to get it. So once again, I appreciate you guys, all of you for watching. Thank you for this unboxing video. We do a lot more stuff like this on our Twitch. Have a good one, YouTube. Catch y'all later.